Hey everyone, Eric here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, the point of this video is to give you a bit of an update to new deals and updates you otherwise might miss due to various amounts of reasons. The last thing I want as a credit card YouTuber is for my audience to miss out on rewards and deals that would have otherwise helped them earn even more cash back when using their credit card. And while most of this information can be found on websites like doctorofcredit.com or 1mileatatime.com, some people just don't have the time to look it up and also read it all. So consider this an audiobook, or in this case, a visual book, for weekly updates about the credit card world that just might pique your interest. Granted, by the time that you watch these videos, some of these deals might be expired, so please consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell to keep up with the latest videos and updates. And also consider liking because that helps the YouTube algorithm. Anything helps. And with that, let's get right into this week's update. In credit card news, according to a source from reddit.com, Wells Fargo employees have confirmed a brand new credit card called Autograph for July 13th. This new credit card is a no annual fee cashback credit card with a welcome bonus of potentially being 30,000 points on $1,500 spent within the first 3 months of account opening. This card will also earn you 3x back on restaurants, travel, gas, transit, phone plans, and streaming services, with 1x back on everything else. It's also said that this card will be a Visa signature card, so it'll also have the additional benefits that come with all Visa signature cards. Pretty exciting stuff for Wells Fargo. Great on them for trying to rebrand their image. I'm personally definitely going to go for this card. I personally have the Platinum Wells Fargo card that is definitely in need of a product change. In other credit card news, Chase has just updated the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless and the Marriott Bonvoy Bold welcome bonuses for a limited time. The Bonvoy Boundless has a new welcome bonus of 5 free nights valued at 250,000 total points after spending $5,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. And the Bonvoy Bold with a 60,000 bonus points offer after spending $2,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. That 5 free night certificate voucher seems like a pretty good offer, all things considered. Next up, American Express is replacing some of the eligible places that you can redeem your $120 dining credit that you can get with the American Express Gold Card. Out goes Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Seamless, and Box.com, and in comes Milk Bar, Goldbelly, and Wine.com. American Express is also rolling a brand new program called Know If You're Approved for a Card with no impact to your credit score. Alright, they didn't actually put a name to this, but basically you can now apply for an American Express card and see if you're approved or not without actually affecting your credit score. It's only if you accept the approval will it then affect your credit score. It's the first type of approval that I've seen from any credit card issuer. Usually it's the pre-approval route that most credit card issuers take. So on this, props to American Express. It seems like they're always one step ahead of any other credit card issuer competitor. And this new addition is pretty amazing for credit card enthusiasts like myself. From the side of bonus miles, if you download the Mileage Plus Shopping Google extension and spend $25 or more, you earn 1,000 bonus miles for your personal accounts on Alaska Airlines, United, or USAA account. Free money is free money. Speaking of free money, for those of you that frequently fly with British Airways Avios, you'll earn 50% bonus on travel partners. That's 4.5x back on Airbnb, 7.5 on Avios, and 1,000 bonus points on 2+ night stays with IHG. Speaking of saving on hotels, for those of you out there that want a 3-night stay plus 50,000 Hilton points for $199 plus tax, Hilton is offering a timeshare offer where after spending a 2-hour timeshare presentation and pitch, you'll get 3-night stay plus 50,000 Hilton points deal for places in Orlando, Las Vegas, Myrtle Beach, Scottsdale, and Virginia. And finally, to wrap it all up, other news includes the Venmo credit card, which is offering a spending challenge via email. Although it seems targeted, people have reported getting 2 different offers. One of them is spending $500 and getting $50 cash back, and the other one is spending $1,000 and getting $100 cash back. Both offers actually seem to have either a end of June for the $500 offer and in 6 months time for the $1,000 offer. On May 30th, Chase announced that they will relaunch ChaseTravel.com and add 3 additional airport lounges. Chase recently had their Investor Day presentation where they've mentioned that they plan to improve the Chase Travel Portal. While there hasn't been really any concrete information on how exactly they're going to improve the Chase Travel Portal, there has been speculations about incorporation of the luxury hotel plus resort collection in the travel portal, as well as upgrades to their dining sector as well. I also wouldn't be surprised to see reworks to their airfare booking process to keep up with other competitors. On the side of lounges, it's been known to the public public that Chase is opening up 6 different Chase Sapphire lounges by the club. 5 domestic with locations in Boston, Las Vegas, Phoenix, San Diego, and New York's LaGuardia Airport. And then the 1 international one will be in Hong Kong. Now, Chase has actually recently increased that number to 9 total lounges, with no other details about where these 3 other lounges will be located. Unfortunately for Chase, these lounges won't be exclusive to Chase Sapphire holders, allowing access if you have the priority pass, which is a bit unfortunate because both the Capital One Venture X card and the American Express Platinum card both offer priority pass access as a bonus perk. So expect these lounges to definitely be a little crowded when they open. With no exact opening dates yet, it is to be expected that both the Boston and Phoenix Chase Sapphire lounges will open later this year, with the San Diego one opening in late 2023. Last but not least, Walmart Plus members, specifically American Express Platinum card holders, because the American Express Platinum card actually has a Walmart Plus membership for free as a bonus perk. Walmart Weekend is officially going on right now. It's directly an Amazon Prime competitor, cheap deals all around, so if you have the Walmart Plus membership, go check out their deals. Alright, those were all the relevant deals that I saw for the week of May 30th. If I've somehow helped you save money throughout this week, feel free to leave a like and comment down below to let me know. Also, this takes like 2 seconds out of your time. Please consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell just to keep up to date with these credit card world update news videos. These videos in the meantime will probably come out every Saturday around noon. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there, everyone. Peace.